See, I have a sale data of different zones. I'm working with 3 zones and I have a sales. I have a total revenue for the month. I know the number, but now you can see there are area code, there are zone, but I need to fill it. I can do it manually like control D, duplicate, and I can do it. But instead of that, let's say it's a huge data and large number of lists. So I will select this data and I will go into the go to special option. I will select here the blanks. With this function, I will select the blank cells. What I need to do now, wherever cell is selected, I will press the equal and select the upper cell, which I want to copy all the areas, and I will do control enter. Voila, I will take all the cells in one shot, and it could be a huge data. You can do this by the one shot and you can fill it all your blank spaces with whatever data you want to do. Follow me for more Excel tips.